Hello there, lovely people. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. I hope everyone is doing well by God's grace. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how I made this delicious Ghanaian Cocoyam pottage. It is also called Mpotompoto or Nuhu. I have about 6 cocoyams here. You can add more or less if you're making it for a large family. I'll be peeling my cocoyams with knife. I'm not sure if you can peel this with potato peeler. I didn't try it. Okay, so once my cocoyams were done peeling, I began to cut it up in my preferred sizes. You can cut it up in any size of choice, but I prefer that you cut it up in cubes or in big chunks, okay? And once that was done cutting up, I took it over to my sink, rinsed it, and then over to my pot. So to my preferred pot, I'll add in my nicely cleaned cocoyams. I added in about 4 cups of water, some chopped onions. I have here my salted fermented fish or momoni and salted tilapia. I'll add in carrots and fresh tomatoes, and then I'll come in with my whole onions, which I've cut in half as well. Please don't forget your dried herring, okay? This is a very healthy local dish. We'll cover it and allow it to boil. Now, I was supposed to add in my habanero peppers, guys. And once I remembered, I opened it back up and added my habanero peppers. So please don't forget to add your habanero peppers. If today's your first time on this channel, hello and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. So after 15 minutes of boiling, I removed my onions, tomatoes, habanero peppers, my carrot, and then I blended it and brought it back into the pot. This process is more like making soup, but in a very thick form, okay? And then I added in my geisha or mackerel in tomato sauce, my dried shrimp powder, and then we'll give it a nice mix. Guys, this food is a soul food and we don't make this every day. We make it once in a while. So whenever you're making it, you want it to be healthy and you want to pour all your heart into it. So after 10 minutes, I came back in to give it a nice stir. And at this point, if you want, you can remove some of the cocoyams, mash it in your earthenware, or you can use a potato masher to mash it. I'll add in about a half a teaspoon of salt. Please adjust the salt to your taste. I added in, let's say, about a cup of palm oil. And guys, don't forget to add your spinach, okay? Also added in some sliced onion and then we mixed it up. This turned out so delicious. This is actually my second time of making this dish, and I do have the first video on this channel. But this one has a little twist to it, guys, and it turned out really delicious. So I covered it for about 5 to 7 minutes to simmer. And guys, it is ready to be served. You can enjoy this with your family. And like I said, you don't make this all the time. And whenever you make it, you want to make sure that you share it with everyone. So yes, mom came to get some as usual. And to my surprise, my kids loved it. You know, this tastes just like mashed potatoes, but, you know, mashed potatoes with all the healthy local ingredients, okay? So I hope you give this a try. And if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. To my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support. God bless you. And until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye, guys.